So in this unboxing, I'm going to show you the Hubsan Zino. This is, I'm looking forward to checking this out. I've heard really good things about it. I don't do many unboxings actually, but I was excited to get this. So inside here, let's see, we got the actual drone. Looks like we got the drone. I'm really excited about the form factor of this. Love how it is so compact. Be able to put that in a backpack, no problem. There's the controller. Seems pretty sturdy, has a little weight to it. Some spare parts. I'm gonna assume that's probably a charger of some sort or propeller blades. Looks like it comes with a screwdriver, some props, power cord there, some sort, and then we got some cords, a little manual, charging hub there, and then power for that charging hub, I'm assuming. Oh, these were for connecting to your phones, and they got one for the iPhone, USB-C, the newer iPhone devices, and the micro USB. So that's nice. And then this is for charging. Perfect. Very cool. All right, so I'm going to show you a test run with this, and step you through a couple things as you watch this video. So it was pretty easy to sync with the device. You kind of go to turn it on and it asks you to bind, you hit OK. The first time I did it, you're not seeing it here because this is like a second or third time I used it. I had to actually, it stepped you right through it. I had to pick it up, walk around, do the compass calibrations. But otherwise though, this thing is really handled well. And it's easy to use. You don't really have to have any major experience using drones. It steps you right through it on the app. Just download the Hubsan app and you're up and running. The only thing I had to wait a little bit to connect to, you need like 9 to 11 satellites connect before it says ready to go. It does do some drifting, I noticed when you put it up, but not too much. And I'm sure I can play around with some settings to fix that. I get about 20 to 25 minutes for per charge for the batteries. I did get a spare battery I ordered. You know, it actually, I noticed it eats it up quick if you're recording. But look at this video, it is very crisp. Comes out 4K, and I played around with using the waypoints, and that's really cool. The one thing I will warn you, like I have a case on my phone, and using that little connector from the controller to your phone, you got to take that case off. If it jiggles at all, it'll come loose, and then like it goes into return to home mode. So you got to be careful with that. So I took the case off my phone and just made sure it was in there securely. But I'm really happy with it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to do some follow-up videos. This was down in the Caribbean recently. Got a nice beach shot with it. So far so good.